Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group B8. The title for our research is Eco-Friendly Hand Sanitizer. Our supervisor is Sir Muhammad Azlan Yusof bin Abdul Rahim, and my group consists of 3 members, which is Aqil bin Muhammad ANUAR, ABHIRAMI AISWARYA, and me, HUDA. Okay, so the first one is the research main title is Preliminary Formulation of Organic-Based Eco-Friendly Hand Sanitizer. And our main ingredient for our eco-friendly hand sanitizer is curcumin turmeric.
Good day, I'm ABHIRAMI JAYARAMAN from DBT 4B. My metric number is 23 DBT20F1035. Now, let's move on to the proposal. Let me give a brief introduction of this research. Hand hygiene has been proven to be essential for minimizing the colonization and spread of infectious illness in all populations. Hand hygiene recommendations are thought to play an important effect in reducing the incidence of gastroenteric and respiratory infections. Furthermore, hand sanitizer is a solution that is applied to the hands to destroy microbes. It is also known as hand antiseptic, hand rub, or hand rub agent. The consistency of hand sanitizers is usually foam, gel, or liquid. Whenever soap and water are not available for hand washing, or when repetitive hand washing weakens the natural skin barrier, such as when scaling or fissures develop in the skin, they should be utilized. Besides that, hand sanitizer has become more popular than ever to its efficiency during the COVID-19 outbreak. According to Fortune Business Insight, COVID-19's short-term impact is predicted to produce a massive increase in the worldwide hand sanitizers market annual growth rate from 5.06% to 45.71% in 2020. Overuse of hand sanitizer can lead in dry, cracked skin as well as redness, discoloration and peeling. If it's swallowed or goes into your eyes, it can be dangerous. The production of sanitizer gel packaging as well as the active component itself lead to carbon emission, resulting in ozone layer collapse and global climate change. Curcumin are the active ingredient of this eco-friendly hand sanitizer. Curcumin has various properties or advantages, such as curcumin is an anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant effects which can benefit in the skin in many ways. Curcumin, a principal bioactive substance of turmeric, is reported as a strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal and also antiviral agent. However, its antimicrobial curcumin, the primary curcuminoid compound found in turmeric spice, has shown broad activity as an antimicrobial agent, limiting the replication of many different fungi, bacteria and viruses. An antimicrobial product is a substance or material that is active against microbes. Curcumin may reduce the number of microorganisms. According to the studies, curcumin may kill the virus directly before it can infect the cell by integrating with the viral envelope to inactivate the virus and modifying cell metabolism to prevent viral entry. Moreover, the additional ingredient of these eco-friendly hand sanitizers are neem, mint, citric acid, aloe vera and clear soap solution. Neem has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that may soothe irritated skin. With the advantage of getting a cool effect on the skin, neem is beneficial for treating skin sensitivity. Moreover, mint is an abundant source of menthol and has a strong antibacterial properties. Citric acid is an organic compound that doesn't affect our skin and naturally contains vitamin C. Aloe vera acts as a moisturizer and cooling agent. Clear soap solution is a part of diluting the curcumin turmeric's color combination with the citric acid. Non-alcohol sanitizers are potential alternative to alcohol-based sanitizers. They are just as effective against microbes but provide longer lasting protection on the skin, are gentler on the skin and generally safer. They can also reveal the pressure on alcohol supply. As a result, eco-friendly or non-alcohol based hand sanitizer are preferable for sanitizing our hands. Healthy hygiene habit will protect us and our families from infection this pandemic season.
Okay, so my name is Huda and I will present to you the impact of chemical-based hand sanitizer. The impact from the production of chemical-based hand sanitizer is it will increase the chance of antimicrobial resistance and other vital diseases. And it is also high potency to deplete oxygen in water body. The last one is it will increase the chance of mutation. Okay, so the next one is the impact of disposal of the chemical-based hand sanitizer. The first one, because the chemical alcohol will deplete or evaporate first before eliminating all of the microorganisms. So it will be the growth of microorganisms. The next one is the production of chemical alcohol causes pollution around the factory or environment of our greenery. The last one is when produced chemical alcohol, not any plastics are suitable for long-term storage or of the said compound. Therefore, special bottle or plastics have to be made for the storage or sale of chemical alcohol. So the bottle will be made from non-recycling material. Okay, so the next one is the impact of eco-based hand sanitizer. So for the society, the eco hand sanitizer will lessen wrinkles on palm and hand, reduces inflammation and also heals small wounds. For our environment, the eco-based hand sanitizer, the natural resources won't leave any pollution, and it is also a protective agent for plants from pesticides and diseases, neutralizes acidic soils. So next is the objective of our research. The first one is to determine the awareness level of polytechnic nilai students on the impact of chemical-based hand sanitizer to skin health. The second one is to determine the antimicrobial effectiveness of turmeric as an active compound in hand sanitizer. The last one is to preliminary formulate organic-based eco-friendly hand sanitizers.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to Sir and my friend. So thank you to ABHIRAMI. So now I will present about my part, which is the literature review. So the first literature review that I will present is isopropyl alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol, also called 2-propanol, is one of the most common members of the alcohol family of organic compounds. So isopropyl alcohol was the first commercial synthetic alcohol which chemists at the Standard Oil Company of New Jersey had later ExxonMobil first produced in 1920 while studying petroleum byproducts. So isopropyl alcohol is not effective against a class of virus called non-enveloped virus, but is effective at killing enveloped virus. So the virus that caused by COVID-19 is an enveloped virus. So isopropyl alcohol is effective at killing it, but other alcohol like ethyl may be more effective. So the main ingredient in our product is curcumin turmeric. So curcumin is a yellow pigment found primarily in turmeric, a flowering plant of the ginger family best known as a spice used in curry. So curcumin has shown itself as an effective molecule to treat viral infections due to its ability to modulate a great number of molecular targets that contribute to the infection process. Among those, the following could be mentioned as transcription and replication regulation, inhibition of protease, inhibition of attachment and entry of the virus to the cells, and inactivation and attack of the virus structures. Accordingly, curcumin has present effectiveness against a wide number of viruses, such as the human immunodeficiency virus HIV, hepatitis C, virus HCV, and more. So next, neem. Neem is a member of Meliaceae family, and its role as a health-promoting effect is attributed to its rich source of antioxidants. Earlier findings confirmed that neem and its constituents play a role in the scavenging of free radical generation and prevention of disease pathogenesis. It is considered a safe medical plant and modulates the numerous biological processes without any adverse effect. Neem is widely known for its antibacterial properties. It acts instantly on the contaminants and provides protection, so it does not contain any sulfates and other chemicals. Mint. Among medical plants, mint exhibits multiple health beneficial properties, such as prevention from cancer development, anti-obesity, and antimicrobial. Medical plants and their derived compounds have drawn the attention of researchers due to their considerable impact on human health. Phytochemical derived from mints also show anti-cancer activity against different types of human cancers, such as cervix, lung, breast, and many others. So next, citric acid. Citric acid, as known as C6H8O7, is an acidulant, preservative, emulsifier, flavorant, and buffering agent widely used across many industries, especially in food, beverage, pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and cosmetic products. For first crystallized from lemon juice and named accordingly by Shelley in Sweden in 1784. So, owing to its remarkable physical chemical properties and environmentally benign nature. So, aloe vera. The aloe vera plant has been known and used for centuries for its health, beauty, medical, and skincare properties. So, the name aloe vera derives from the Arabic word aloe, meaning shining bitter substance, while vera in Latin means true. Adding aloe vera gel to hand sanitizer provides moisture and nourishment to help balance the harsh drying effects of alcohol. It is also adds some thickness to our hand sanitizer for easier and more effective application. Aloe vera also contains polysaccharides that stimulate new cell growth and helping with healing and cell renewal. Aloe vera gels used as an effective moisturizer plus antioxidant properties, and it gives an extra edge when it comes to supporting skin defense. So next, clear soap solution. So transparent soap is the combination of actual soap and solvent. The solvent is added into the soap solution to produce the transparent characteristic. Current method of producing the soap bar has taken more than 8 hours and has difficulties taking out the soap bar from the plastic mold with low production rate. So the soap production rate is believed to increase with the invention of the soap molder machine. By reducing the production time from 8 hours to 2 hours, it improves the production rate significantly. So the hazardous impact of using alcohol hand sanitizer on human health. So hand sanitizer are effective and inexpensive products that can reduce microorganisms on the skin, but ingestion or improper use can be associated with health risks. Many hand sanitizer contains up to 60% to 95% ethanol or isopropyl alcohol by volume and are often combined with scents that might be appealing to young children. Recent reports have identified serious consequences, including apnea, acidosis, and coma in young children who swallow alcohol-based alcohol hand sanitizer. Alcohol hand sanitizer exposures were associated with worse outcomes than were non-alcohol hand sanitizer exposure. So, lastly, for the part of literature review is benefits of eco-friendly hand sanitizer towards human health. So, eco-friendly hand sanitizers that contain organic ingredients are ideal for the complete protection of our hands. With a typical hand sanitizer, it can be taught to understand what the ingredients list on the label. If an organic product, we can rest assured that we will know exactly what we are relying on to keep ourselves healthy, and at the very least, we will know that we are not applying anything potentially toxic to our skin. So the benefits of product via the ingredient in our product. So first, we have non-use of isopropyl alcohol. So if we not use this isopropyl alcohol, it will be safe because it non-flammable formula prevents alcohol consumption like poisoning. Next, we have neem that will pacify irritated skin, and mint may hydrate our skin and rejuvenates our skin. And then citric acid with the function of antioxidant and antifungal. And aloe vera acts a moisturizer and cooling agent, while clear soap solution a part of diluting the curcumin turmeric color combination with citric acid. So the hypothesis is different formulation of extract will have different ability in inhibiting bacterial growth. And then use of turmeric in hand sanitizer is better at reducing the spread of germs. And lastly, hand sanitizer which has natural ingredients added to it will be safer to our skin than chemical hand sanitizer.
Methodology. There are 8 sections in this lab-based methodology part, which are sample preparation, dilution of curcumin, greeny ingredients extraction, analysis of pH value extraction, pH analysis, formulation of hand sanitizer, laboratory test, entire microbial testing for turmeric using this diffusion test. Firstly, sample preparation. The natural ingredients are washed under tap water and sterilized distilled water. Following that, the ingredients are air dried for 6 hours using a blender. Turmeric will be grounded with some water to get its liquid form. Furthermore, dilution of curcumin. The liquid form of curcumin will be filtered using the filter paper to remove any chunks of curcumin. Following that, the liquid form of curcumin was transferred to a beaker. Slowly, citric acid and soap solution was added to dilute the color of curcumin as required. The curcumin solution will be refrigerated until the following ingredients are ready to be combined. In addition, greening ingredients extraction. Neem and mint was grounded using pestle and mortar to get its pure extraction. Later, those extractions were filtered using a filter paper. Aloe vera leaves were peeled and the gel was scraped out. The gel was cleaned thoroughly and was blended until form a right consistency. Besides, analysis of pH value the extractions. The curcumin solution and extraction of neem, mint and aloe vera were combined in the test tube. The solution was shook well, therefore the solution mixed well. Rest the solution for 30 minutes. Additionally, pH analysis. Measure the pH of the curcumin solution by using the pH meter. Curcumin solution will be adjusted accordingly, which is not too acidic or alkaline. Next, formulation of hand sanitizer. Sanitizers will be formulated in different combination amount of extract. Each formulation will be lab tested. Moreover, laboratory test. A test will be performed before and after hand sanitization. Lastly, entire microbial testing for turmeric using disc diffusion test. The disc diffusion technique DDM is classed as an agar diffusion method ADM. Method of disc diffusion filter paper disc with known quantities of antibiotics are placed over an agar surface that has been previously infected with bacteria of interest to test microbial susceptibility to antibiotics. Next, move on to the survey-based methodology, which are research design, population and sample, and also statistical analysis. Firstly, research design. Quantitative research is used to perform this survey, which entails the distribution of survey questionnaire. Furthermore, population and sample. The survey's participants are students at Polytechnic Nilai. The researcher's sample population consists of Polytechnic Nilai students. The method of sampling is convenience sampling. 30 students are the sample size. Convenience sampling is a sort of non-probability sampling in which persons are randomly selected because they are convenient data sources for researchers. Lastly, statistical analysis. Descriptive analysis is a sort of data analysis that helps to explain, show, or conclude data points in a constructive way so that the pattern might develop that satisfy all of the data's conditions. In addition, while the dependent or outcome variable is continuous, if wish to compare the mean in one group to the mean in another, a t-test is used. When both the outcome and independent or predictor variables are continuous and to check if they have a systematic relationship, then Pearson correlation coefficient was used. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, lastly, the expected result. So first, higher concentration of turmeric in formulation will have better antimicrobial effects. And then turmeric-based hand sanitizers are equally effective as conventional alcohol-based hand sanitizer. And lastly, organic-based hand sanitizer has lower inflammation or allergic effects on skin.
So the next one is the budget for our research. The first one is neem leaves. One pack of neem leaves consists of 20 to 30 leaves. Is worth 5 ringgit. The next one is mint leaf. 200 gram of mint leaf worth 5 ringgit. And 200 gram of lime worth 3 ringgit. One piece of aloe vera with the weight of 500 grams worth 10 ringgit. And glycerin soap base for 250 gram worth 5 ringgit. And the total of our budget is 28 ringgit. And these are the references for our research. Okay, so the last one is the Gantt chart. Gantt chart shows the time required to complete the task for our research. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.